Hello again. This morning the temperatures in the north of the country were a little bit lower than they were yesterday, but in the south they were a little bit higher. Now where it's been so cold by day, over the next few days it's going to turn less cold and it will be mostly dry. And I say mostly dry because today we do have a weather front sinking south, taking its rain with it. Behind it, it's going to be breezy and we'll see a mixture of sunshine and showers, most of the showers in the north and west of Scotland. But this morning's fog continuing to lift, some of it just into low cloud. Ahead of this band of rain sinking south across England and Wales, there'll be some drizzle, but behind it for Northern England, for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, there will be some sunshine. The showers in the north and the west being driven in on the strong winds. This evening and overnight, you'll find the cloud and the rain clears the south. There'll be a lot of clear skies following on behind, one or two showers, some of those wintry on the mountaintops in Scotland, and away from the coasts locally we could see a touch of frost. Generally, temperatures in the south not as low as they have been, but it will be colder in the north than it has been. So into Thursday, this ridge of high pressure builds across us, settling things down, but not the direction of the wind coming around it. It's coming in from the North Sea, so that's going to drag in a bit more cloud, particularly so across eastern parts of England with some showers. And with the strength of the breeze, it will blow some more into some central areas, but they'll be the exception rather than the rule. For many of us, it will be dry, there'll be a lot of sunshine around, and temperatures more or less where we would expect them to be at this stage in January. Then as we head on into Friday, well, high pressure is firmly in charge. Locally, there'll be some frost and some fog to start with, but a lot of dry weather around, and it's going to be windy across the far north of Scotland. These are our temperatures, about 5 to 9 degrees. Then into the weekend. Well, it is going to be fairly changeable. To start with, the high pressure no longer takes charge of our weather. Low pressure comes in, and look at the weather fronts and the spacing of those isobars, wet and windy conditions in the north. But then at the start of next week, high pressure reasserts its influence. So the forecast for the weekend on Saturday, first of all, a chilly start. There will be some fog patches in southern England. Then we're looking at a mixture of sunshine and showers in the north and west, but wet and windy with gales, even severe gales in northern Scotland on Sunday.